Hi, my name's Simon from Motordrome. Now today we're going to take a walk around and a drive of this absolute one-off. It's a, well, it's 1948 Land Rover 80-inch Series 1, one of the very first cars, certainly one of the first 3000 because it's on a silver chassis, and a 1948 one, and as rare as hen's teeth, shall we say. Two videos, hope you like them. One walk around, one driving, plus a bit of engine starting and idling action at the end. And so you won't see many like this. Okay, let's have a look around this. Well, it's absolutely amazing. 1948 Land Rover Series 180-inch, one of the very first cars, certainly from the first year of production. And it is correct that it's on a silver chassis, and it is the original chassis. As you can see, paintwork wise, I mean, the vehicle's all been mechanically what have you restored, but paintwork wise, it was decided to leave it with its patinated look, shall we say, with the exception of the bulkhead and the wheels, which are new. But the rest of it, if you want one that's looks like it's just rolled out the factory in 1948, this probably isn't the vehicle for you. But if you want one that's got what, 73 years of patina, then I think it probably will be. Yeah, this one is really for the serious collector, because being one of the first 3000 ever made. All correct in that it's got the lights behind the grille. It's also got things like its ring pull gearbox and what have you. 1.6 engine. As far, I haven't checked the engine number yet, actually, we'll do that. But it certainly is the original chassis, so we checked the number. All been restored and brought back to life, sympathetically restored, shall we say, by a well-known Land Rover specialist in Norfolk. And as I say, it is correct that the chassis is silver painted for one of the first ones. People have said, oh, it's a galvanised chassis. No, it's not. It's silver painted, as they were when they left the factory. If you want to ask me why they were silver painted, then you can, but I won't bother answering on the video. But yeah, it's absolutely fabulous. Now, obviously, I'm not going to go around and point out every little blemish, because there's 73 years worth of blemishes on it. It is what it is. But as I say, the decision was taken, much like Jim Radcliffe's 001, to keep as much of the original vehicle as possible. But also, there was a lot of having to return it to original spec, because obviously, as you might imagine, over a few years, new bits and pieces have been fitted to it and what have you. So that's all been corrected, and it is now absolutely beautiful. I'll walk around slowly around the panels so you can see what's what. Hood is obviously new. And we'll show you while we're here, just inside this wheel arch. Let's open the door. There's its correct ring pull for the four-wheel drive. So you don't have a yellow lever on one of these early ones. Speedo is showing 8,700 miles. Clearly, take that with a massive pinch of salt. Very much doubt it's 108, but who knows what it might be. But clearly, we can't guarantee anything on that front. Seats are all nice and new, and they're the correct spade type. It's also got a new wheel for the spare. Wheels and tyres, incidentally. The roof is an undercover covers example, with the proper small window on the back of it. I think it's absolutely amazing myself. got its correct lights. It's everything about it is just right. So you can't replicate this sort of patina on them. I would imagine the bulkhead was past saving though, as this does look like a new bulkhead to me, but I'm just trying to establish where it's come from. And all the early ones were painted in pastel green, incidentally, which is the colour of this. Yeah, absolutely magnificent. So I think there we have it. Find another one. I don't think there's any other 1948 ones on sale at the moment. My name's Simon. You can reach me in the office on 0118 907 1495, or you can go to our website, which is www.moto-drome.com. Okay, quick video of start up and running on this 1948 Series 180-inch. Ignition and oil light come on as they should, and starts and idles beautifully. It's nice and warm now. There's your ring pull for the early ones. And then here we have a rather super little motor, doing exactly what it should. Period battery in. That noise you can hear is just the bonnet vibrating. Really does run like a little sewing machine.